If you're thinking of moving to Canada, or if you're already in Canada and you want to have an idea of what the average grocery cost is going to cost you here, if you decide to move to Grand Prairie, Alberta, you're going to want to stick around for this video. We will be doing our grocery shopping here, and we will be doing it at Costco. Now, Nuts over here is supposed to have done a list. How are you with that list?
No, I didn't do a list.
She didn't do a list, so we're going to freestyle it, guys. Come along. Okay, so we're in Costco right now. Where are we going to start, babes? What are we going to be starting with?
Meats.
Meats?
Yeah.
Are we starting with meats? Let's do sirloin or
Didn't say beef or pork or anything. Sirloin.
yeah, it's beef. It's up to you if you want to do it.
No, because I don't make meat.
Pork. Porky.
Remember the reason why we said because they did.
Which one looks so big?
I know it's a big.
Yeah, big size, too small.
You know, this way more, but not by much.
So what are we trying to figure out?
In fact, the difference in weight is
Trying to see which one is bigger?
negligible.
Or which one is cheaper? Which one? Which one bigger or which one cheaper?
Bigger one we're looking for, but
And this is selfish, guys. As I was saying, these selfish look like they grow up both parents. They're just well taken care of. 3 meals a day. Yeah, so we pretty much picked up all the meats that they had in Costco. We're next.
Fruits and veggies.
Fruits and veggie.
Yeah,
Guys, if you're here and haven't already subscribed, please take a second, subscribe, like, share, drop a comment. How much for the carrot? $6.49.
so you're normally busy.
Every day, all day.
This one now is spoiled. Easily spoiled.
This one easily spoiled?
No, gala. Gala.
This is a gala? $8.99.
That's the only tea stuff.
That's the only tea stuff? Yeah, I can't go around with Tetley tea. I think. What do you think? That's a big box of tea, man. But it's only $12, so okay. Fruit of the looms. You're gonna pick up a regular cornflakes, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
We need another card.
You need another card. I don't know. I don't like frosted flakes.
I know
But...
you buy them.
Get the eye. I want a box right to somebody take up. Everything gets expensive, man. This around close to like $1,000. So we have to get 2 carts, guys, because one cart is fully loaded and the other cart is getting there. What protocols does places like Costco and that have if I can't? Oh, sorry, you just put back the grocery.
Exactly. That's it.
What's that?
Would beef root be in?
Well, nope, we'll never see any. So let's play a game. So we have 2 carts. Typical things that most household would need. We got a lot of meats on at the bottom. We got mixed vegetable. We got tissue. We got fruits, veg. Pretty much everything you can think of that you need for a household. Nuts.
Yes.
What's your best number?
$800.
$800. What's the best number?
I say between 5 and 7.
That's kind of vague, but okay. Now, what do I say? I say 600.
6.
That's what I said. Let's see. Oh, the cart has to come on this side, I think. Yeah. I think we did the opposite. Well, the uptown saltfish, right? Premium. The premium. Both parents went to prep school. Yeah. 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 Well, probably not 1 hour, but probably like 3 hours, 4 hours. Is that still 2 for 1 or is it?
Here you go, sir. Almost a penny.
No, we were right. We were trying to guess right now, but none of us got it right. We end up spending, close up, come close so they can see.
Where? Where am I
Right
looking
here.
at? Where?
The price, right here. Yeah. So that's what we end up paying for all of these groceries, which we did pick up a lot of stuff. So yeah, $1,100, guys. How long is this gonna last? When it's finished, you will see. Come on, guys. Bigger than the journey. No, so meet them another time, probably put you on that back seat. If you're here this far in the video, guys, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, smash a like on the video, and drop a comment. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys who always take the time out to watch our videos, but most importantly, the ones who are always interacting with us. We really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Guys, we're under 10 subscribers or so away from 12,000 subscribers, so let's see if we can get there by the end of this video. If you're watching this video and haven't yet subscribed, take a second, hit that subscribe button. Really helps us out. If you're watching this video and you're from Grand Prairie, Alberta, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys for not only watching this video, but for embracing us into your community. It's a community that is now our home, and we really love Grand Prairie, Alberta. Now, you have watched the video, guys. We went to Costco and we did a grocery shopping haul. You guys just saw that. Now, what I would like to say is that the prices that you see in this video is just strictly based on Grand Prairie price metric. If you are somewhere else in Canada, your prices might be a little bit different, might be a little bit more, might be a little bit less, depending on where you are in Canada. Also, if you choose to go to a different grocery store, your prices might be different altogether. So take that into consideration. But on and all, this is what it would cost you if it is that you go to Costco here in Grand Prairie and you did a large grocery shopping that can probably last for a couple of weeks. That's what you're going to be looking at. Now, over the years being here in Canada, prices has definitely gone up significantly. Now, when we just came to Canada, if we should have gone to Costco and did a similar grocery shopping, we'd be looking at probably $600 or $700. Now we're looking at 2 times the amount. So things are definitely getting more expensive, which is consistent with inflation and things, cost of goods and services going up and down, not only in Canada, but all around the world. Now, what I would like to say for new immigrants coming to Canada is to be prepared. Be prepared to make sure that you not only have enough money to transition, but also that you have done enough research to know what the cost of living will be based on where you're choosing to go to live in Canada. A lot of persons are caught off guard because there's not enough research that was done and not enough preparation that was done. Don't fall into the trap. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. If you fail to prepare, is a recipe that is going to lead to failure. It's a sure bet. So do your research, do your planning, and make sure that you're in a position to stand on your own 2 feet if it is that you are transitioning to Canada as a new immigrant. If you're already in Canada and you're wondering, where can I move to? That will give my family a better chance of a convenient life in terms of a small city where everything is close, or an affordable life where housing, cost of living is relatively affordable. I'd suggest to you guys highly to consider moving to a place called Grand Prairie, Alberta. Now, Grand Prairie is located 4.5 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours north of Edmonton, depending on your driving speed, right? North of Edmonton. It's a city that has roughly 70,000 people and has most of the amenities of the bigger cities. So you got your shopping malls, you got your hospital, you got your schools, you got your Costco, for example. But there's limitations, of course, because in a bigger metropolitan like Edmonton or Calgary, there's more things to do rather than in a small town like Grand Prairie. So what I was telling somebody the other day is, it's a sacrifice. There's lots of opportunities here for you to grow. Lots of opportunities for you to matriculate into whatever you want to do, but it comes at a sacrifice. Like, for example, for me, there's no Jamaican restaurant here. It's being worked on, right? But there's not enough Caribbean culture here for me, and that's something that I had to sacrifice for the greater good, for example. Now, it all depends on what you are looking for your own life, for your own family, and then you can make that decision, all right? Again, I want to say a huge thank you for all you guys who have stuck it out all the way to the end of this video. Hopefully, you guys help us get over the line of 12,000 subscribers. Smash a like at the video, drop a comment, let us know what you think about this video, and check out previous videos as well, and let us know what you think about those videos as well. My name is Dems. I'm a Jamaican living here in beautiful Grand Prairie, Alberta. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.